So what you need to understand is that I love Maggi. It is my life. It's my childhood, my teenhood, my now. My first and fondest memory is having Maggi for supper with my brother and sister. That day, if we finish all our food for lunch and dinner, my aunt will ask, "Who wants Maggi?" And it'll be the best day ever. She would boil it, add some eggs and veggies to it, and I remember she would always cut the Maggi noodles into small little pieces so that it's easier for us to eat. If I'm really indulgent, I would add some sausages. For me, I like to add the seasoning in last. It's a simple meal, but it's the meaning behind sharing the meal together that makes me happy. And to this day, Maggi still brings back good memories.
My Maggi, fast to cook and good to eat.
This is my Maggi. What's yours?